Hey everyone, welcome back to my shop. What I'm going to start doing now is I'm going to start working on the maple stick, and it's a maple limb off my tree out back, and it's a little heavy, a little big around the top. So what I decided to do was to countersink the grip area, and then I am going to put I believe it's a 2mm leather wrap around this that brings it back to basically level again. Otherwise, if I put the bigger stuff on, it would have had a real heavy grip on it, and I didn't even feel comfortable with that kind of a grip. So I did that. I did it off camera because I didn't know if I could get it done right or not, and it seemed to turn out pretty good. So the rest of it, I think I think I'm going to do a three bands up here. Yeah, 3 bands here. I think I'm going to do 3 here, 3 below, and then don't know the rest. The top, I'm going to put glow in the dark section, probably not quite a 1/4 inch thick up here, just cause I kind of like it. I walked outside with it, or not with this one, but with another one that I had put a glow in the dark top plus a compass in it, and I charged it up real good and waited a little bit and then walked outside with it, and wow, it was really nice. You could even see the compass with the light from the glow in the dark powder. So I think I will do that. Other than that, I haven't got an idea yet. Okay, what I'm going to do today is I have got actually there's 9 grooves that I'm going to put in. 3 below the grip, 3 above the grip, and then 3 up close to the top. And like I said, I believe I said, I'm going to put a glow in the dark on the top of this. So that's all I've got so far. But anyway, that's enough to get started. Right now I'm going to put the stop cut in all 3 of them, and then take my carving knife, make a little groove in it that where my file can follow it around. So let me get the camera set up and we'll get started. Well, you're not going to believe this, but then you probably will. I started the camera and I did these 3. I turned the camera off so I could move it to do these 3 and these 3, and never turned the camera back on. So I was sitting there doing it with the camera just sitting there off. But anyway, you got to see how I did it with the first 3. So it just, wow. Anyway, I do the lines with let me get the other one out here. This one here is the carving knife that I usually use to do everything with. But I found that when I follow the lines with this one, I can look down the point and follow that line to where this one here is so long, and I would have to tilt it so far forward that it's very uncomfortable. So I use this one. But I'll use this one to make the little grooves in here. Just my way. Kind of weird, but my way. Alrighty. Now, let me get the camera set up and let's see if I can turn it on this time, okay? Alrighty. Okay, we got the grooves put in it. I didn't video all of them. I figured 6 grooves to video was enough. So now I am going to start out with a 5/16 chainsaw file and end up with a 7/16 chainsaw file. I believe it's 5/16. Yeah, 5/16. And that's just so I can get a nice groove started with the smaller file. And I like the chainsaw files better because they don't taper. A round file tapers. A lot of them don't taper a lot, but they have a gradual taper. The rat tail file, that has a bigger taper in it. So I like the chainsaw files because the sides are equal all the way to the top. So let me get the camera set up and we'll get going with that. Okay, now I'm starting with a 7/32 file. I already put one groove in. I don't know if it's down to depth or not, but I'm going to go ahead and put the other grooves in. Well, I got that part of it done, and I am very, very happy with the way it came out. That Oregon chainsaw file did a beautiful job. I'm going to have to get another 5/32 chainsaw file, because that one there, well, I've sharpened chainsaw chains with it and other miscellaneous metals, so it's not quite as sharp as it should be. It worked, but I'm going to have to get another one. So I got that part of it done, and I think I'm going to end it for today. It was a lot of work. I'm just so pleased with how it came out, and I am so glad that I used the files instead of my Dremel. I know I could have done it faster with a Dremel, but this brought me back to the days when I was doing custom gun stocks. The only piece of equipment that I used on custom gun stocks was the mill, and that was to put the starting of the gun barrel in. Other than that, that was all hand done too. So it really made me happy, as you can tell. So thank you for watching this part, and hopefully I will get back to you tomorrow, and we'll see what we're going to do after that. Alrighty? Okay. Thank you. And remember, everyone, get your hiking stick, your walking stick, your cane, whatever you use, and get out there and do some walking, because nature is beautiful.